Today we are going to solve this equation to find the x. Solution: 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x equal to 20. Now we are going to take 5 to the power of x is a common. 5 to the power of x, open bracket, 1 plus 1 plus 1, close the bracket, 20. Now 5 to the power of x is 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So into 3 equal to 20. Divide by 3 on both sides. 5 to the power of x into 3 by 3 equal to 20 by 3. This 3 cancels this. 5 to the power of x equal to 20 by 3. Now take log on both sides. Log 5 to the power of x equal to log 20 by 3. Log a power p equal to p log a. This formula we are going to implement here. X log 5 equal to log 20 by 3. Divide by log 5 on both sides. So x log 5 by log 5 equal to log 20 by 3 by log 5. This log 5 cancels this. So we have x equal to log 20 by 3 by log 5. Therefore, we know the formula that log a by b equal to log a minus log b. X equal to log 20 minus log 3 divided by log 5. This x equal to log 20 can be written as 5 into 4 minus log 3 by log 5. Log a into b equal to log a plus log b. We are going to implement this here. So x equal to log 5 plus log 4 by log 5 minus log 3 by log 5. So now x equal to log 5 by log 5 plus log 4 by log 5 minus log 3 by log 5. Now this log 5 cancels this. So it is 1. So x equal to 1 plus log 4 by log 5 minus log 3 by log 5. Therefore we know the formula that log a by log b equal to log a base b. We are going to implement this here and here. X equal to 1 plus log 4 base 5 minus log 3 base 5. This is the x. Now let us verify with the equation that 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x equal to 20. X equal to 1 plus log 4 base 5 minus log 3 base 5. In this equation, the 5 to the power of x is common, so we are going to take common 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 20. 5 to the power of x into 3 equal to 20. So 5 to the power of x is, x value is 1 plus log minus log 3 base 5 into 3 equal to 20. A power m plus n equal to a power m into a power n. Same way, a power m minus n equal to a power m by a power n. We are going to introduce this formula here and here. 5 to the power of 1 into 5 to the power of log 4 base 5 by 5 to the power of log 3 base 5 into 3 equal to 20. Now we know the formula that a power log b base a equal to b. So we are going to implement this here and here. So we have that here it is 4 by here it is 3 into 3 equal to 20. Now this 3 cancels this, so we have 5 into 4 equal to 20. 5 into 4 is 20 equal to 20. So LHS equal to RHS. It is verified.